Good morning, Oscar Good Company.
Hi, good morning. How are you going today?
Good, thanks. How can I help?
Perfect. Sorry to bother you. My name is June from AUBC Consulting. I came across our project, CCS, project listed in Cordal Company, or Cordal Connect. And I was hoping to speak with the person handling the project of the tender costing.
What's this regarding?
We're a quantity surveying and cost consulting firm. And we're also a builders as well. We help with big OQs, tender support, and project costing with a guaranteed 10 to 14 days turnaround. So, I just wanted to briefly introduce our service for this project.
We already have a QS.
Absolutely, and that's completely understandable. We actually work alongside many builders and firms that already have their regular QS team. What usually helps us stand out is to speed our turnaround and the fact that we're builders as well. So our costing are very market aligned and practical for tender deadlines.
Okay.
So I'm not really calling to replace your current QS, more just to introduce ourselves as an additional support option if workload gets heavy and timelines becomes tight. Would it be already if I sent a short introduction email through the person handling the project?
Sure.
Perfect, thank you. You'd be the best person to send that to? To give some contact on email. Thank you. Perfect. Just verifying. Repeat the email slowly when typing your error.com. Is
Yes.
this your yes? Thank you. I'll send a quick introduction regarding to our builders QS support to 10 to 14 turnaround project. And if it's alright, I might give a quick follow-up call later this week to see if there's any opportunity to support tenders.
Sure.
Perfect. Appreciate that. Thanks again. Ella, have a great day.
No need, just send it.
No worries at all. I'll just send everything through so have our details on file if anything comes up in the future. Thanks again and have a great day.